Homeowners, are you waiting for the perfect time to buy your replacement property? Here's the truth. The perfect time isn't in the future. The perfect time to buy is right now. Hi, I'm Joe Kaminsky and I'm with Aroa Real Estate. So what is going on in the housing market that makes finding a replacement property much easier than say a couple years ago? I'm gonna break it all down for you. First off, it's the current market opportunities. As we start the new year, inventory is moving more and more and options are becoming readily available. By acting now and beginning your property search, you will avoid the potential of limited choices later on, such as in the spring when the markets are going to get much busier. If you are thinking you do not have the resources to make the move, remember, as a seller, you have lots of benefits to homeownership that you can tap into and leverage. One of these is the equity that you will build in your home over the years, or the sales proceeds when you finally go to sell your home. According to the real estate site CoreLogic, persistent home price growth has continued to fuel home equity gains for existing homeowners. They now average over $315,000 in equity. Maybe you are an empty nester who's looking to downsize, or your family is growing and you need a bigger space. You can use that leverage to buy your replacement property that is better suited for your current lifestyle. Don't let hesitation cost you the perfect opportunity. Let's make the current market conditions plus your equity move you into the ideal replacement property. And remember, you always want an experienced agent by your side. Reach out today to my team and I, and let us help you make a perfect plan, find your property, and start building your future today. Remember, real estate remains the best investment over time while giving you the lifestyle that you desire. Let's make it happen. I'm Joe Kaminsky with Aroa Real Estate, and we are helping people elevate their real estate every single day.